What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm gonna just get right into it. In this video, I'm gonna be testing out the Procreate pencils, but this time I'm using color. All the previous videos I've done, I've only used regular black pencils and I've never used color before. So I decided to take a crazy creature I drew on a couple days ago on a piece of paper, and I couldn't find it, but I still had it in my head. So I said, what better way to honor this crazy creature I drew but to test it out on Procreate with the color pencils. So as you can see here, this creature is some kind of worm and water bear kind of thing in one. I have no idea where this idea came from, but that's why it's always good to doodle, because you never know what you're going to come up with. I'm definitely making him a little more tighter than what the initial drawing on the paper was, so I'm just finishing him. He didn't have a tail and all that on the initial drawing, so yeah, I'm just using the regular pencil at this time. And I decided I'm going with a cross-hatching kind of style with this character. And this is all out of my head. I'm not working off any reference at the time. So we're just seeing how it's coming out. And now I'm moving on to the color. And I kept the original sketch layer. I kept it on top, and I created another layer at the bottom that I'm going to use for the color layer. And at this point, I'm just going through and I'm going to experiment with some colors, but I actually like the first two colors I used, so I'm just sticking with that. And I wanted him kind of like a pinkish kind of muscle kind of thing, similar to the water bear color. And I definitely wanted the orifice, his mouth, whatever it is, to be more in the pinkish kind of hue. And I wanted rows of teeth, kind of like, giving you the illusion of if he ever catches you, it's just nothing but teeth as you go inside his stomach. So that's what I was going for right there. Just darkening the outlines. I decided, let me just make the outlines a little more thicker and darker. And this is just basically a Procreate sketch. I guess the only comparison I would have is comparing it to real color pencils, because this is my first time ever utilizing the pencil and using color with it. So I definitely find it interesting look. It's looking less digital, so we definitely like that. And what's cool about having all these different mediums to use, whenever you have an idea, you can decide what you think it might look better with, So we're just going for this. Now I'm just adding the shadow underneath. And that is just going to take it to the level of an existing creature with the highlights. An existing creature that casts a shadow and he's standing on solid ground. A little drool coming out of the orifice. And this is just a disgusting, slimy kind of creature here. Add a little more cross-hatching shadow under his belly here. And just darkening a little bit on the edges. A little more under the legs. These are just little final touches. And there you have it, folks. We are done. The hideous creature done on Procreate with the colored pencils. Remember, guys, if you enjoyed this video, smack that like button, hit the subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I upload any new videos. Drop me a comment. Any feedback will be appreciated. So until next time, y'all be good and be safe. Peace.